5 pounds Goldfinger Scrap Ram Gold Recovery Part 8. I am using a magnet to remove most of the unwanted metal. These are recyclable. Just like this old nitric acid, I'll be using here to remove any coppers or any other unwanted metals. Here I am making Aqua Regia. I recommend a 3-to-1 ratio until you get good at refining gold. Then you can freestyle the mix. This is for entertainment purposes only. Here I will be testing the solution with stannous chloride to verify if the gold is inside the Aqua Regia or not. It shall make a dark purple or dark brown color. The darker the better. Here I have mixed 1 teaspoon of sulfonic acid dissolved in water. This will neutralize the nitric acid, allowing me to precipitate out my gold. If nitric acid is not removed before precipitation, the gold will precipitate out, but because the acid is still Aqua Regia, it will liquefy the gold back into the solution. So this step is crucial. Let's do another stannous chloride test to see if we got all the gold out the solution. As you can tell by how bright my gold is, it doesn't really need to be rinsed with any other acids, but still I did rinse it about 3 times with muriatic acid and let it sit for a while and then pour it out. But do save whatever you pour out because it could potentially precipitate back to the bottom like this. But then after that, re-rinse it, filter it with water to get all of that solution, the acid off of you before you smelt it. Now you can warm it up in your beaker and it would dry up within like 10 to 15 minutes. Doesn't take long at all. Here I am adding in borax. Borax plays a key role in the gold smelting process, acting primarily as a flux. Its process is to help separate impurities from gold during smelting processes, allowing the gold to be purified. Our first test to test that it's 24 karat is the shine. Look at that shine. Our second test is a bend. 24 karat gold is very fragile. Look at that bend. Now the third test is a scratch test with solution. So we'll go ahead and use some 22 karat solution and we'll go ahead and do our test. Let's go ahead and weigh it out and see how much gold we have here. Not bad at all. Now this is just half. We still have all this to go with the IC chips and the boards. I still have to get some gold out of these boards as well. And then also find out what, the boards. It's all depending on what you get. So like these are low grade. You see all that copper? So if you get a lot of low grade like we did in this, you're going to get less gold. If you get a lot of high grade, you're going to get up there, really up there doing the refine. These are mid grade right here. So, they're not bad. They're good to have. You want to see the final weight, get that follow button, baby.